Hello, my dear children. I hope you all are doing great at home. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to discuss the lesson Direct and Indirect Speech, which is the 21st lesson of your English grammar book. So, before we start, let's see these two examples given in your book. The first sentence says, I like rainy days, said Varsha. The second one is, Varsha said that she liked rainy days. So the first sentence is quoted by the speaker. The speaker is Varsha here, and the sentence is quoted with the quotation marks. And hence, this sentence is in direct speech. In the second sentence, the words of the speaker, whatever Varsha spoke, it is being expressed or it is being reported, and hence it is in the indirect speech. So whenever a sentence with quotation mark said by the speaker is written as it is, it will be considered as the direct speech. And if the sentence is being expressed or reported, whatever is said by the speaker, it will come under indirect speech. Now let's understand the direct and the indirect speech. The exact words, whatever has been spoken by the speaker, will be always put under quotation marks, and that is the direct speech. But in indirect speech, there is no quotation mark. Then the first word of the actual words of the speaker begins with capital. If we see in the example, the first letter here is capital, whatever is said by Varsha. But there is no such thing in indirect speech. It is not capitalized. Like here we have changed the pronoun, the person I to she here, and again this is not in capital letter. Now a comma is placed after said to separate it from the second part of the sentence. So in the direct speech there are two parts of the sentence. One, whatever the speaker has said, and second, the speaker. So to separate these two parts, a comma is always used. But in the indirect speech sentence, there is no comma used in the indirect sentence. Now we will discuss the conversion from direct to indirect. How do we change the tense when we are converting the direct speech into indirect speech? It is very much obvious that whenever we are reporting something, it is always in past tense. Whenever a sentence of direct speech is in simple present tense, we will always have to convert it into simple past tense. And if it is in present continuous tense, then we have to again change into past continuous tense. And if the sentence of the direct speech is in present perfect tense, then it has to be changed into past perfect tense. Again, if we see that a present perfect continuous direct speech में अगर हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं present perfect continuous, तो उस direct speech को जब हम indirect speech में convert करेंगे, then we will be using past perfect continuous. Similarly, if the direct speech is given in past, simple past tense, then it will be changed into past perfect tense. Also, if the sentence of direct speech is in past continuous, then it will be past perfect continuous. Okay? And if the sentence is already in past perfect, then there will be no change. Here, if the first person is I, me, my, mine, so it will be changing, right? I said I have been to France. I said that I had been to France. So here the first person may also change, as we have seen here in this example that I like rainy days, said Varsha. While we converted this sentence into indirect, we have changed it. Varsha said that she. Now here I had got into she liked rainy days. So Varsha is a feminine gender, and that is why I got changed into she. Even according to the situation, reporting verbs also change. Okay? So if the reporting verb is said, for example, he said I am weak in mathematics. So whatever he is saying, we will be using it in the same way, that because he has said that statement. But if he has said and it is with an object, for example, he is informing something or he is telling something. So like Parnika said to her mother, I am not going to school today. So she told her mother that she will not be going to school. So that here said will change into told. If this sentence is requesting, like please sing a song for the group. So here even if it is said, it is used said in the direct speech, this said will get changed into requested, because in the dialogue a request has been made, and that is why the reporting verb will be used requested. Similarly, if an order is being given, like bring a glass of water, she said to Manjeet, this is in direct speech. But if we are changing it into indirect speech, then since this is an order, we will use the reporting verb ordered. Because if the sentence is in simple present tense, then we have to convert it into simple past tense, as we have discussed earlier while we were discussing how the tenses changes. Then if any advice is being given, then the reporting verb will be used advised. If it is WH questions, then it is asked. And the question mark is also being removed. When we are using the reporting verb asked, the question mark is being removed. Similarly, when the question is in yes or no, then also we will be using asked and the question mark will be reduced. Similarly, reporting verbs can be informed, declared, etc. The words which denote time and position, that also changes when we change the direct speech into indirect speech. For example, this will become that, these will become those, here will become there, now will become then, today will become that day, yesterday will become the day before, tonight will become that night, last night will become the night before or the previous night, last week, last month or last year will become the previous week, the previous month or the previous year. Ago will become before, tomorrow will become the next day. So children, in this video I have discussed all the rules which are there in your book. In the next video, in the upcoming video, I will be discussing all the exercises as well. Till then, stay tuned and thank you.